And we're in the blizzard of 2010. Right, girls?
Then turn around and say it.
I did. To me?
Yeah.
I don't even know if it could see me. There's a lot of snow here. And it's still coming down.
Yeah. Looks like it's going to be a blow.
Gabby is doing a snow angel on...
The table. And Gianna is doing a snow angel on the table. Each chair. I'm going to each chair in a row.
Oh! I banged into the door.
Let's go down there.
Okay.
But, well, I'm
Can
not
you-
touching the ground.
You sure you don't want your hat?
Mommy,
Hood?
look. I do. Now.
Now. Of course now. I got an idea. Should we sneak around front and throw snowballs at Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at me. I will do that. Look at me. Okay, I gotta take this inside. Hold on.